Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. This one's just going to be a very quick, hopefully motivational cleaning video. My living room is pretty messy and it was on a typical weekday morning before my kids were going to school. So I thought I'd share this with you and bring you along with my chaotic, messy living room, typical weekday morning cleaning video. This blanket right here is definitely one of my ultimate favorites. I got it from Costco like last year or the year before for only $9.99. And there's my daughter Jaden giving me a hug before she goes to school. She goes earlier because she's in middle school, and then Sean is getting ready for school right now. He's about to have some breakfast and then he'll be heading out to school too. Who else is enjoying Penny freaking out playing with her toys? She's so funny. She's so feisty with her toys. She acts so vicious, but her tail's wagging like crazy. And here's Riley trying to put on Jaden's headband. So cute. And now I'm going to change Riley's diaper. He's been saddlebagging it for too long now. He just recently woke up before I started filming this video, so don't worry you guys, I do change him. But he just woke up a little bit ago and now he's finally getting his diaper changed. Laundry seriously never stops. I have way too much laundry every day to fold. It is crazy. It is definitely a mommy's nemesis. Here's Riley bringing me his shark shoe. Don't worry, buddy, you're gonna wear it later.
If only you could see.
And here I am getting a little frustrated with Sean. He overfilled his bowl of cereal again, and sure enough, he only ate half of it.
Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way we are, we're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're
So I'm not going for perfect, but this is just a quick, typical tidy up in the morning on a school day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very motivating, and I hope you were able to get some inspiration and get to cleaning your house too. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye now.